Okay, so when it comes to this video, I'll be taking you through how to do the write-up for independent t-test. So from the previous video that I did, I took you through how to analyze and interpret independent t-test, and this is the output that came up. So with this output, we are supposed to do the write-up. So in most situations, for you to do the write-up, you are supposed to tabulate it. So it means this is how you do the write-up for it. So first, make sure that you indicate your DV, which is the organizational commitment. It should come within the first column. Then the next one is gender, and so on and so forth. So you can see that the first table under the output, I've indicated gender, N, which is the sample size, mean, and standard deviation on my write-up. Then the DF, T, and P, I took it from the second table. So from the second table, you can see we have degree of freedom, then the T value, then the SIG, which is the P. So these are the things you need to you need to pick it up from your SPSS output and move it to your main write-up. One thing about the write-up is that when you are doing the table, according to APA, it should be 3 horizontal lines. Always, it should be 3 horizontal lines. So it means that we are supposed to take out all the vertical lines and some of the horizontal lines. So for you to do that, you highlight. So after you've imputed your information here, then you highlight your table. You go to borders. Then under borders, first select no border, so that you take out all the vertical and the horizontal lines. Then again, you go to borders again, click on bottom border, go there again and click on top border. So right now we have 2 horizontal lines, left with the last horizontal line. So you select or you highlight the first row. Then you go to borders again and select bottom border. So right now we have 3 horizontal lines. That's the requirement when it comes to APA. When you're doing your write-up, that's how you're supposed to do it. So we've imputed our information into the table. We are supposed to write it in words. So this is how you do it. So you are telling us whether the main differences between the two groups, which is males and females, whether they are significant or not significant. And per the p-value here, which is 0.100, it is telling us it is not significant. So this is how you do the write-up. You write T into bracket, the 408.95, I took it from degree of freedom. You're supposed to present your degree of freedom equals 1.61, which is your T value. So it's more or less like you saying T is equal to 1.61. But for you to present it, you're supposed to put your degree of freedom in a bracket form. Then afterwards, you indicate your P value. So I'm saying P is is greater than 0.05. This P value is what I'm talking about. So some people can also use P is equal to. The moment you use P is equal to, then it means you're supposed to present the P value itself within the table. So I could have just written P is equal to 0.100. So there's another way you can also do it. So you can either use greater than or less than. The moment you bring greater than or less than, then it means you're supposed to impute 0.05. But since my p-value was 0.100, I'm saying p is is greater than 0.05. So since it is greater than 0.05, I'm saying the hypothesis didn't support, because per the hypothesis, we indicated that males will have higher levels of organizational commitment than females. But you could see the p-value is it's more than 0.05. So it means there is no significant difference between males and females in terms of organizational commitment. So it means that the hypothesis didn't support. So that's how you do the write-up for independent t-test.